What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NNDM stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. Nano Dimension, together with its subsidiaries, provides additive electronics in Israel and internationally. Its flagship product is the proprietary DragonFly Lights-Out Digital Manufacturing LDM system, a precision system that produces professional multi-layer circuit boards, radio frequency antennas, sensor, conductive geometries, and molded connected devices for prototyping through custom additive manufacturing. The company also provides nanotechnology-based conductive and dielectric inks and DragonFly and Switch software to manage the design file and printing process. It markets and sells products and services to companies that develop products with electronic components, including companies in the defense, automotive, consumer electronics, semiconductor, aerospace, and medical industries, as well as research institutes. And for now, their total market cap is $1.95 billion. They have a revenue of $3.4 million with a net income of negative $48.49 million. They have total cash for now of more than $1.5 billion, and this number is a little bit outdated. And let me show you the proof. Yield Sandler, Chief Financial Officer, said, "We ended 2020 with a strong balance sheet of $671 million in cash and bank deposits, thanks to the equity offerings we concluded during the year. And we have strengthened it even more to a balance of nearly $1.5 billion as of end of February 2021. So they have plenty of money, and in my previous video I've told you that it might be a merger anytime soon. And let me show you this information. We are on a press release section on Nano Dimension website, and as you can see, Nano Dimension appoints Hanan Gino as Chief Product Officer and Head of Strategic M&A. And here is this news. It was published on April the 8th, and right here you can read all the information about Mr. Hanan Gino, and he is a very experienced person. But let me quote you Yoav Stern, the CEO of Nano Dimension, and he stated, "Mr. Gino brings 30 years of global business experience that covers many of the industries we are targeting. During his stellar career, he has been the primary mover in driving product innovation and acquisition strategies while substantially increasing revenue and return on investment at multiple technology companies. His vast experience in different segments of electronics industry will add important depth to our product development team. He shares our vision to revolutionize the electronics industry with transformative technologies for the development and delivery of Industry 4.0 solutions that use additively manufactured electronics. I am very pleased to have Hanan on board and look forward to working closely with him." And basically, as I already told you, we are about to see some huge mergers or acquisitions by NNDM company. And let me show you this information. It is an invitation to a webinar that will take place on eToro Webinar Academy. You can see that Yoav Stern will meet Matti Allen from eToro, and they will discuss the future of electronics manufacturing 3D printing. And it will take place on April 13th, 2021 at 3 p.m. London time. And by the time I will post this video, the information from this webinar will be available, I think, somewhere in the web. And let me show you this information. Who Matti Allen is. He is experienced managing director with a demonstrated history of working in the financial services industry for 20 years, professional value investor in the global markets, skilled in mutual funds, equity research and analysis, merger and acquisitions, hedge funds, and business strategy. And in my opinion, he is an expert in mergers and acquisition industry, and that's why I think on this webinar we might see some interesting question and of course interesting answer about the future of Nano Dimension, and this might give a huge catalyst for the NNDM stock to go higher. And after I found this news, and by the way I found it on Reddit, I've read some concerns about is this a legit website. And if we post this website right here, you can see that we don't have permission to access on this server. And here is the server itself, and it is right here. And this is the legit website, and let me show you what it is all about. On24 Incorporated is a San Francisco-based company that markets products and services based upon webcasting and virtual event and environment technology. So it is just a platform, and in my opinion this page is 100% legit, and we will see some good news for the company. And that's why let me show you ARK investment fund, and we are on cafesark.com. This website follows all the buys and sells of ARK funds. We are on ARKQ Holdings, and as you can see we have recent buy, and it was made on April the 12th, just yesterday. They bought a little bit less than 500,000 shares with a total value for now of around $3.5 million. So they add their position. And let me show you institutional investors. As you can see, we also have only green lines and nothing to add to this information. And that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video somewhere at the end of March right here, and I've told you that we might hit again 0.65 level. And moreover, I've told you that we might go lower from this point if we break this previous pivot point. For now, it didn't happen, but it is still possible. It is less probable, but it is still possible. And on my previous video, I drew these two lines. And basically, I drew it on a daily time frame. And as you can see, right here, we have this as our very top. But if we switch to 4-hour time frame, look here, on extended hours, we have much higher price action, and we have exactly $6 price point to add our potential support and resistance. And let me show you what do we have right here. It is 100% the same level with this peak and with this price action. So this is our major support right here, and if we will break it, we have to reevaluate all the count, because on the impulsive wave, according to Elliott wave theory, we cannot have the retracement of fourth wave on the territory of the first one. This means if we touch 0.786 level, we have to redo all the count from the technical standpoint, and we have to define new targets for our potential gains. But for now we still have this as our lowest point. This means our targets that was made previously are 100% legit, and to project these targets, I pulled the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave right here, as you can see. And the third point at the bottom of the retracement. Let me adjust it a little bit. And according to this data, we have these targets. First of all, the most conservative target is right here at 0.786 level at around $20 price point. Next target is 1-to-1 extension, and it is on $23.43 price point. And the next, the most aggressive target, is at 1.618 level, and it is around $33.74. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!